Alright, the first step to find cryptocurrencies, historical data.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Create content effortlessly. Click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
You can go to this website, coinmarketcap.com/historical. I'll leave a link down in the description. As you can see, it says cryptocurrency historical data snapshot. You have the year from 2013, and if you were to scroll all the way down, you have the present. In this case, it's the year 2024, but let's say you want to check the price of Bitcoin in 2013. So I'll click April of 28, and as you can see, Bitcoin is ranked number 1, or it was ranked number 1. You have the symbol, the market cap, the price of the cryptocurrency was $134, and so forth. And again, you can do the same exact thing for other cryptocurrencies. The next website is called Coin Codex. You can see here cryptocurrency historical data, price and market cap history. It's pretty much the same thing. It's self-explanatory. On the top left hand screen, you can click select date or click this calendar icon. Click the drop down arrow. Let's say we want to go to 2020 in COVID, and let's say March of 6, and then click submit. And as you can see here, the market cap was 256 billion. And Bitcoin dominance, it shows the dominance for Bitcoin gainers and losers. Boom, and it shows the price of Bitcoin. It's $9,100 of March of 2020. The last website is called StatMuse, and basically we have this here on the search bar, Bitcoin price history chart, but you can type in any other cryptocurrency. We have a chart all the way back from 2010, so the initial launch, until the present. And if we scroll down, we have all different data points. I'll leave links in the video description. This is completely for free. If you want to see more videos like this, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe. I hope this helps, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.